Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be addressing some common issues on the e46 chassis and the e36. Is the A pillar, B pillar and the C pillar issue, but I only have an issue with the A pillar, so I'll show you how to fix that. Like, that's the best method and like it's the best bang for your buck. I know I told you guys that last time that we're going to be doing the headers, but right now I can't do it. I have the headers at my house, but apparently we came into an electrical issue. It was my fault because I was playing around with the negative terminal. I'll show you what's happening right here when you start the car. Alright, you're gonna see all these dash lights are immune. Give me a sec. Alright, watch what happens when I start the car. See, these dash lights won't go away. Alright, before we do that, I'm gonna go put my corner lights on. If you guys watched the previous video, you know that my corner lights are broken and one's kind of shitty, so I got new smoked corner lights from ECS. I got two brand new ones, so I'll be putting them on. Alright, this is the passenger side one. This is kind of shitty, like it's kind of worn out and it's kind of yellow, and obviously that was my corner light delete mod, but I'm gonna be replacing it with a new one. Alright, so the new lights are in. This is how they look. Out with the shitty one, in with the good one. Alright, so you guys can see, like, for me, this part sagging and the entire car is good. Like, I don't have B pillar sags or C pillar sags. The only part that's sagging is right here. So I'm using the 3M Super Trim Adhesive. I got it from AutoZone. It's like around 20 bucks. I mean, according to my research, this product's probably the best one out there. And you just spray it on. I'm gonna shake it first, and we're gonna be putting it right here. Damn, it's cold. I'm gonna let that dry. Alright, so I tried and I failed. I don't know, I got my fingers sticky. So this dude thinks he can do a better job right here. Alright, go.
European way, guys. We get the job done.
Make sure you clean that part.
For sure, man. It's so sick.
Alright guys, so today is like several days, like 30 or 40 days after the last day I was trying to film, because we didn't finish the other day, and then there was a sad news. My uncle passed away, and I tried to pick up the camera and film, but I didn't feel like it, and then I tried like 2 or 3 times and I never felt like it, and today I'm finally gonna finish it off. So we still failed to put putting this on. I got some masking tape. I'm gonna put some masking tape right over here, and then I'll set you guys on the tripod, put it on the time lapse, mask everything over here, and then we're gonna go with the 3M glue. Alright, so we let the glue dry up. Now I'm gonna take off the masking tape. Alright, we're done, and this thing works like magic right here, because it dries up so fast. I totally recommend it. But if you overspray it like us, like previously, you're gonna leave some marks over here. But either way, I'm probably gonna redo the entire thing like after a few months or weeks. Alright, so right now we're gonna be using acetone. It's like 100% acetone. Oh shit, this shit is strong. But I'm just gonna use it like to erase or like remove the oversprays. Trust me guys, it works like magic. Look at those dirt and grime over here. Alright you guys, so we're done with it and it was fairly easy. All you need is that 3M adhesive and that's it. You just have to spray it on and just use some masking tape if you want to be careful. And that's it. You're just going to be done. And then use some acetone afterwards so you can clean off some glue off of it. And with that, I'll be ending today's video. And I know I haven't been consistent. It's just the COVID thing. My uncle passed away and it was really hard for me. And as of for right now, my car is kind of giving me some electrical issues. I went to 2 or 3 different shops. They're trying to figure it out, but with Beamers and Euro cars, what they do is they want to figure it out, an electrical issue, and they want to rip you off. So I'm still looking for a good shop that can just help me out with my electrical issue. As if for right now, I still want to go full bolt on and everything, and I'm hoarding like tons of parts. I have headers for this car, I have a test pipe, a Y pipe, and then I'm getting an exhaust. It's gonna be made out of titanium. I'm getting an intake, but like I can't do any of them if my car's not running right. Trust me guys, I'm hoarding parts. And you know what, I'll just show you guys the parts. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put them on my story on Friday, so be on the lookout for that. If you're still watching this video, huge shout out to you and much love, and hit the like button down below please. It really helps me. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.